Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me how you would draw this. I didn't really, this might even trace, but I didn't. I just started over. Really easy on something like this. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Of course, that thing is not in the center of the page because we hit P. Now that one is in the center of the page and you can just tell that it's not. I'm going to set my nudge factor on something low like 0.01 and I'm going to move my green thing. I don't want to move my red line. Matter of fact, I'm going to make my red line a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key and grabbing one of the corners, then hitting P again. Now, to grab that green thing, if I grab here, I'm going to grab the line, but if I hold down the Alt key, it will grab the green thing, the bitmap. Now, don't move this red line. That's pretty much a key. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm just going to mimic that line. I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to mimic that line. And I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to mimic that line. Do not worry about the lines crossing down here. Now I'm going to hit the plus key and mimic that line. That's all we need to do. Now, I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that line and that line. And I'm going to fill this in with burnt orange and move it out of the way. Well, I nudged it out. I'm going to nudge it back because I want my nudge to be about on 4. Now let's just move this stuff out of the way. And before I do anything else, I want to make sure it fits. So I'm going to control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page. And you can see it fits. So we're going to just, now we can play with it. And we could take this thing. I just wanted to make sure it was still in the center of the page because it's pretty important that it is. Let's just use the interactive fill tool and do that right there. Now, or anything, control D to duplicate, alternate C to rotate it from the center of the page, 120 degrees, and control D. And in that short of time, you made that. I think it looks better in blue. It quite possibly could look better if we played more around with it. Let's take this with the interactive fill tool and just kind of see. Let's go and use that blue. But then let's put a white kind of in the middle. It's going to overpower. I'm going to put another blue there and then move my black up. Let me zoom in here and see what's going. That looks pretty good. I don't think I'm going to change it. Maybe make my black a little. For every once in a while, I'll do that. That's going to look good. Control D, alternate C, 120 degrees, control D. Look at that. I don't know, maybe it's not as cool as the solid one, but it gets the point across, and hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.